Today I'm going to show you how to change your country on Play Store. So let's get started. For this, what you have to do is open your Play Store app. Now click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Once you click on the profile icon, then at this interface you have to click on the payment and subscription option. Now click on the payment methods at the top. Then here you have to click on the more payment settings option. It will take you to the Google Play version of the Play Store. And here you have to click on the top 3 lines at the left corner and select the payment methods option. Here at this interface, as you can see, you have the option to change your country name. Click on this option. After clicking on the create a new profile option, then press on the continue button. Now select your country and press on the continue button again. After selecting your country, then fill the address lines. And after that you have to click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, your new profile will be created. So that's how you can change country name on Play Store.